Namaskar, my dearest students. Today it is our first computer class. You know about computer, but today we will learn more about computer in this class. Firstly, it is our first computer class in standard 5. So we can learn about computer. In your first chapter, its name is Know Your Computer. In this chapter, there is introduction is here. What is computer? So firstly, we discuss about what is computer. In your previous classes, like standard 4, standard 3, standard 2 or standard 1, you know something about computer. Then that is here it is discussed about computer. Computer is an electronic machine and it is also a man-made machine. Finally, we say that computer is an electronic device which help us to do many work like sums, like play games and listen to music and many kind of office work, school work and many offices work like hospital, banks, etc. etc. It helps us to solving our many problems and accepting data, performing operations on the data and giving the result. Okay. So how can we input the data in the computer? So we discuss about what is input. What is input? Input is the raw data given to the computer using input devices. ইনপুটটা হচ্ছে একটা র ডাটা যেটা আমরা কম্পিউটারের মধ্যে ইনপুট করি বিভিন্ন ধরনের ইনপুট ডিভাইসেস দিয়ে then a question is what is input devices? Names of input devices. Input devices are like keyboard, computer mouse. These two are most commonly input devices and we input raw data, different kind of raw data in computer using the input devices. When we input the raw data into the computer, then it is processes it in CPU. So what is CPU? CPU is the brain of computer. It processes our raw data and lastly it gives our result. So if we discuss, if I give to you example, then we can clear it easily. So it is an input device, keyboard. Keyboard. It is a common input devices in computer. When we use keyboard and gives a sentence, it is raw data. It is the input devices. Input devices. And we gives a raw data that is a name something RAM data to give it into the computer. Okay, it is a raw data. Then in CPU is the brain of a computer. আমরা জানি আমাদের সবার ব্রেইন আছে তো ব্রেইনটার কি ফাংশন ব্রেইনটা আমাদের মেইন ফাংশন ধরো একটা পাগল তো পাগল কি করে আমরা আমাদের ঠান্ডা গরম আমরা সব ফিল করতে পারি কিন্তু একটা পাগল সে কোনো রকম ঠান্ডা গরম বা কোনো রকম ব্যথা সে অনুভব করতে পারে না কারণ কি তার ব্রেইনটাতে একটা ডিফেক্ট তৈরি হয় তো এটা কম্পিউটারের সিপিইউ তার একটা ব্রেইন কম্পিউটারের ব্রেইন ওইখানে আমাদের সবকিছু প্রসেস হয় যেভাবে কম্পিউটারে আমাদের ব্রেইনে যেমন আমাদের প্রসেস হয় কম্পিউটারে ব্রেইন হচ্ছে সিপিইউ ওটার মধ্যে সবকিছু প্রসেস হয় when we give raw data use the input devices like keyboard mouse etc then it processes in CPU and then after it gives our result in monitor we show it in our monitor. So monitor is the output devices. This process is called IPO cycle. So if you say what is IPO cycle, when it gives a raw data, use the keyboard or the mouse using the input devices, then after it processes in the CPU, and then after it gives a result in our output devices, in monitor, speaker, etc., etc. It is our output devices. This process will be going to continue. This process is called IPO cycle. So I think you understand this class clearly. Next class I will discuss you further lesson. Thank you. Namaskar.